So I created this video for free, and I want to show you an AI tool that you can use to create AI videos for free. And this tools you can create unlimited number of videos for free. Just keep signing in every day. You continue creating your videos. So I created this video for free using free AI tools, no paid tools. So let me walk you through how to create 30-minute video, 1 hour video for free using free AI tools.
So the first thing is to generate your story prompt, your storyline, the image prompt. So I'll go over to ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT to generate mine. You can use any other AI tools to generate your own. So I'll go over to ChatGPT. So this is my story. I told ChatGPT to give me a short story of a man whose wife, a family story that has a happy beginning and a sad ending. So this is my story. So ChatGPT gave me the storyline, the dialogue prompt, and the image prompt. So the next thing I did, I told ChatGPT to generate the images for me. So ChatGPT generated these images for me, and it is in 4 scenes. So these are my 4 scenes of images. I downloaded all these images to my phone. If you want a detailed tutorial on how I did this, I will create a separate video for this. So after generating my storyline and my images, so I'll go over to my AI app and animate my images. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing I'll do is I'll copy out my dialog prompt. So this is my dialog prompt. So this is it. So I'll copy it. Then go over to your browser, Chrome browser. I'll type oii.ai. So this is it. This is the interface of oii.ai. So I'm going to sign up. I'm doing this live so that you see everything live and know that it is actually working. So I'm going to sign up on this using my Google account. So it will take a few seconds to load. So I'm going to click on continue. So my page is loading. I don't want to skip any part so that you actually see. So it's going to bring me to this interface where it says I should log in with Google again. So I've logged in. So it will bring you to this interface. It has animator, short comic creator, game developer, and others. So I'll just click on. So I'll uncheck this. So how did you discover OI.ai? So you just click on other. So I'll just click on. I can just click on friends and click on submit. So I can uncheck that as well. So it's saying story time. So I have 200 credits, and this 200 credits is enough to generate my images, but you can upgrade after you exhausted your credit. But every day you sign up on this website, you sign on this website every day and you get free credit. So I'll click on this start creating. So there are a lot of things you can do on this website. So it is loading. So hey director, what's on your mind? Let's make something out of it. So I'm going to click on this plus sign. So I'm going to choose file. I'll choose from the images I generated from ChatGPT. So I'll come down and search for the images. So after pasting my prompt, so I'm going to choose generate a video based on conversation as reference image. So my video is generating. It's up to 30 seconds to 1 minute for OI to generate your video. The good thing about this app, it will give you option of generating an image based on conversation scene and reference images, or generate a video based on conversation and reference image, or create a complete story animated short film. So if you wanted to create a complete story for it, you create a complete story and give you animated short film. So my video has been generated. So it says generation request has been submitted. Confirm whether the result meets expectation. So if you want to modify your video, you just click on want to modify and add whatever you want. But if this is what you want, you click on it. So let me look at the video details. So I'm going to play the video.
Since you didn't have enough money this month, I bought all these food stacks with my own salary.
Thank you. I really appreciate you standing by me.
So this is 10 seconds video. This OII can generate up to 10 seconds video, so you can generate your videos in parts. So this is very good. I'm going to click on it and download this video. So if you want to modify this video, click on I want to modify. So for me to continue generating my video, I'm going to click on this plus sign and continue video generation. So I click on choose, click on photo library. So I'm going to click on image. So I'm click on add. So I'll wait for my image to upload. So I'll come back to my ChatGPT and copy my dialog prompt. So always ensure you copy out your dialog prompt and save it in your notepad, so that if you go back to ChatGPT and you can't find it, you have your backup in your notepad. So I didn't find my dialog prompt on the ChatGPT. The conversation has been wiped out, but I have it in my notepad, so I'll just go back. So I'm here now to copy it. So I'm going to copy it. I'll go back to my Chrome browser. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to click on send, click on this arrow to generate my video. So OII is a very good AI app to generate your videos, and it is free. Signing up every day will give you free credit when you sign up every day. After generating your video, to download your video, so click on Canvas. This is Canvas. So it will bring up the videos you've generated using this particular website. So just click on the video. So you see options of copy, download, and delete. So click on download. So it will show you download 1080p HD videos. This is for sub only. But if you have credit, you can use 1 credit for 2 seconds. So I have, this is like 10 seconds. I will use 5 credit, or I'll just download the video at 780. So I'm downloading it at 780, so I can save my credit for my next download. So I'm going to click on this part. I'm going to click on save. So I'll click on the next video. So I'll click on download. So I'll click on download video. So I'll click on save and I'll save it to my files. So this is how to download your videos after generating your videos from using this particular website. We'll go over to CapCut. So I'm about to click on new video. Select the videos that you have created. So click on add video.
Since you didn't have enough money this month, I bought all these food stacks with my own salary.
So I'm going to
Thank you.
animate.
I really appreciate you standing by me.
Together.
Since you didn't have enough money this month, I bought.
So next thing I'll do, I'll click on it. I'm going to add caption.
Since you didn't have enough money this month, I bought all these food stecks with my own salary.
Thank you. I really appreciate you standing by me.
The food smells delicious.
It should.
You're eating the food I bought.
I'll click on export. So video is ready to be uploaded. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video and click notification bell